What is one thing that you have come to terms with in your life?
One thing that I've had to accept that, you know, I tend to fall in love easily, and I care a lot about people that I date. And sometimes something that I have to come to terms with is that sometimes someone's not good for your life, and you have to accept those things. And even though you might love them still, letting go of them is probably the best thing for you and yourself.
How are you doing overall now?
I'm actually doing really good. I'm healing. And the healing process is different for everybody, but I have my best friend here, and I came here from Los Angeles to Sacramento to spend time with my best friend and come back to where I started and learn how to love myself again, because that's what's most important.
And also, it's your birthday.
It is my birthday, so
Happy birthday.
thank you, 33 and single.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your story.
Of course, thank you.
Illness.
Yeah.
Illness.
Okay, that's a good
Yes. Cancer.
Cancer?
Yes.
Does somebody in your... Oh. Sorry to hear that. How long you been fighting cancer?
It's been a year. A year.
Yeah.
Stage 4.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry to hear that. How's the treatment been? In terms
Pretty
of-
good. I'm doing pretty good.
Okay.
I'm out and about. I mean, you know,
You're out
Yeah.
I feel great. Yeah.
here. And you've been supporting him through the whole process.
Been
which is
supporting him
one of the
through
most
the whole
important
thing.
things.
Yeah.
Like a rock.
Like
Yeah.
a rock.
And if I may say,
Yeah.
we were married for years, and then we went our separate ways, but we remained friends. And when I found out he was sick, I was right there. So I'm an ex-wife. That's a wife.
My ex-road dog.
No.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
No, that's
Yeah.
important. You just
It
be,
is.
to be
Yeah.
there.
It is.
And I'm pretty sure you appreciate it every single
Every
second.
bit of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my, I guess she's my rock, man. Yeah.
And how long you guys been with each other?
Since 1976.
Oh wow, that's
Long time. Long time.
And do you have any kids or?
We have one
Okay.
between us.
That's great.
And
And
went together.
okay.
Well, that's between us.
Okay.
One together.
Yeah, I guess so.
Do you have any advice? Or...
If I have anything to say, I would say enjoy your life. You'll have struggles. Hey, you do what you got to do to survive.
I always live by, everything will be all right. This time, tomorrow, things will be all right. You know, if I'm going through something really bad, it'll be all over this time tomorrow. And just keep on pushing and be honest with each other about how we feel.
That's important.
Taking it day by day
Day by day.
and being there through sickness and in health.
Yeah.
Living by those words, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Growing up as a single mom and not following up what I started with my kids, stopping, that gap in the middle. And when they grew up, I wanted to start all over with them, and I couldn't, and I don't know.
So you had a hard time with finding yourself in terms of like purpose and everything after your kids grown up?
Yeah.
How old are your kids now?
Oh, they like 30, 35.
Oh wow. Oh, so they're older.
Yeah, they're older now.
Have you come to accepting, kind of like how life is now?
I kind of learned to accept it, and I kind of learned that sooner or later they will learn, because they become a mom, so that I know that they're going to come through, that everybody can make mistakes. So I kind of learned that, forgive and leave it as it is until everything get back to normal again.
Do you have any advice?
Well, if you have your children now, give them all the attention, all the love, all the care. Don't let a day or a minute pass. Always communicate with them, because when you do that, you will miss a lot.
I appreciate you sharing your story.
Okay, thank you.
I think the death of my parents has taken a long time. They passed away in the last couple of years. So,
And
yeah.
were you really close with them?
Yeah, at the end when I was helping take care of them and living at home with them the last 2 years. Yeah, last 2 years.
Oh wow.
So when they passed away, that was traumatic. But I think I've come to terms with it. I've finally cleaned out the house, or part of the house. So
I'm pretty sure that's a lot of emotions too.
That's what I've come to terms with. You can't be a caregiver on your own. Someone else has to help you, either family, neighbor. You can't do it on your own. So don't try. And I didn't have any siblings, so it was just me.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was overwhelming.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
But hopefully, that they're in a better place, and
Oh, they are.
I'm pretty sure they're proud of you too.
Yeah, I hope so.
But I appreciate you sharing your story, Roland.
Okay, you're welcome.
I don't mean to be a damper on it. It's just my mom had died when I was 8 years old. I've come to terms with it recently more over time. It's kind of hard. My father, I hate to be the downer here, but my father had murdered her. He was abusive in our life. And me and my sister, it was 3 at the time when that happened, we had been through a lot. So over time, it tears me apart, but I'm learning to come to terms with it. If you have loved ones who want to give you help, do take it. Do hear them out. Be willing to, you're going to need them the most. You're going to need what you do have, who you still have in your life. My grandparents were a huge help to me personally. I don't think I'd have made it through without them. They were like my second set of parents for the longest, and still are, and I love them to death, but yeah. That and my sister was another reason to keep trekking on. I take care of her like my own. So yeah, that's kind of it for that.
I just appreciate you sharing your story.
Yeah.
Well, one thing that I came in terms in life is that it can be pretty challenging, but the road to success may not be universal for everyone, but the best thing is to just ride it out and see where it goes. That means, at least for myself, like take risks, hang out with new people, get to meet new people. I think one thing is always, at least for myself, I know it's a struggle that I have, managing my finances.
Yeah.
Like getting a good credit score. Sometimes we all want to have good stuff, enjoy life, buy video games, maybe like a console or something. But yeah, it's always be on top of it, be on top of your finances. Other stuff that I can think of is always be positive. Yeah, always have a positive mindset, positive outlook at life. There's always going to be a hurdle sometimes, passing a family, friends, something that might happen. You just gotta ride it out sometimes, right? You gotta do it,
Oh man.
Yeah.
I appreciate you sharing your story, man. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
Just getting out there more. That's the scariest thing for a lot of people, especially young people, is to just get out there and express themselves in minor ways. It could be like what I did. I started martial arts training, and that's one of those hardest things to just get into. You think you're gonna get hurt, or people are gonna be mean to you. Now, the people there at the gym are gonna be the nicest people you've ever met in your life, and it's gonna be the best experience. You're gonna get better, protect yourself against danger, and I had a couple Muay Thai fights, so that have gone in my favor. So they've helped me elevate myself and be able to talk to people, especially during COVID. I felt extremely isolated. Only had me and really my immediate family that I was close to. So that's.
Was there a lot of? I feel like with martial arts, you probably learned a lot of mental strength and a lot of stuff like that too.
Yeah.
Is there a few lessons that you kind of learned from that as well?
Really, just take it easy. Take it slow at first. I've been doing it for about 1.5 years or so, and it's just fun now.
Are you a professional now?
No, nowhere near.
Oh well, is there any other advice you would like to give to the public?
Just be yourself, but also express yourself in different ways. Getting out there more, going to different places, meeting people, saying hi, having a smile on your face.
Yeah.
I don't know. just be chill, I guess.
Well, it was a pleasure meeting you, Trey.
You too.
Thanks. Hey guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Jaime. I am the guy behind the camera. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I post again. Love you guys and catch you later.